Hey everyone, thanks for watching. In today's video, I will be showing y'all how to make this DIY gemstone paperweight. As usual, we will start with everything that you need to make it. First up, you will need some clear resin. I got mine right at Michael's. You will also need some silicone molds. I got mine online. I will have everything listed down below in case you were interested. This is optional, but I got a few things to fill my molds with. You will need some type of container and some gloves. The first thing I'm going to do is mix up my resin. It comes with part A and part B, and what you want to do is measure them out so that it's the exact same amount, because you don't want to have a little bit of one because it won't dry properly. So you definitely want to be sure to get it exactly 50-50. Once you have measured it out, you're going to go ahead and dump them into your container, and you want to be sure to scrape the excess off the sides of your measuring cup to be sure that all of it gets into your container. Now I'm just going to begin stirring it. You want to do this very slowly so that a lot of air bubbles don't get inside of your mixtures. You want to mix it for at least 3 minutes. I think I ended up doing it for about 5 minutes. You want to leave it for about 5 minutes so that all of your air bubbles come up. And then I just went ahead and added my gold leaf and then slowly mixed that in. And now I'm just going to pour that into the mold. I did the same process for the other mold, except I am not adding the gold leaf. I am going to press my flour inside. I did this part slowly because, as you can see, the flour does need to fill with the resin, so you will see some bubbles come up to the surface as you push it down. I used a popsicle stick to hold it into place, and then after about an hour, I went back and pulled the popsicle stick out to be sure that it didn't set with the stick inside. I waited about 2 days, and as you can see, you can probably pull the mold apart and get your paperweight out, but since I won't be reusing the mold, I did just go ahead and cut it to make it a lot easier, and this is how it came out. If you don't like the top, you can just use some sandpaper or just cut the uneven edges, and this is how they came out. I absolutely love how they look, and not to mention they were really easy to make. So that is all for this DIY. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.